Hours by agreement billing. How many hours have you billed in your agreement? This is under finance. And remember, all the finance panels, once you open the first one, CWDash will ask you for your ConnectWise managed credentials. After completing them, it'll check to see if you have access to financial reports. If you do, it'll grant you access. Now, this panel right here, hours by agreement billing, this is an incredibly powerful dashboard. You choose the date, you choose the service boards you want to see. Look at this now and send it to Excel as well. You'll even see more. But this is over this 6-month period, and from these clients, what were the hours by each agreement that were billed? You have the actual hours, then the billing amounts. Did you work more hours actually than you billed? Why, if you did? And compare the two. Very great panel. Hours by agreement by billing.